Well, hello, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Chris Thomas. We start with developing news on that deadly fireworks explosion in Esparto. 7 people died in the explosion. Investigators now say the site had more than 1 million pounds of illegal explosives. 8 people have been charged in the case. 5 are charged with murder. The former Yolo County Lieutenant Sam Machado, who owned the property, bailed out last month as the criminal case continues. And new tonight, a lawsuit has been filed in the case. ABC 10's Robbie Reynolds is live in the studio tonight. And Robbie, it's more than 100 pages?
Yes, Chris, it's a very detailed set of documents, and the accusations are similar to those that were brought up in the criminal case, such as negligence and a lack of oversight as well. But this suit is trying to get financial relief for the victims. Just over a year since that massive explosion on County Road 23 in Esparto, lawyers for family members writing that they've gone through pain, suffering, and emotional distress. All 7 people killed in the explosion, their immediate family members and property owners, are listed as plaintiffs. They're suing the California State Fire Marshal's Office, Yolo County Sheriff's Department, and Esparto Fire Protection District, along with devastating pyrotechnics, Black Star Fireworks, and various partners of those 2 companies. Among many accusations against government agencies are failure to uphold safety measures, proper county codes, and general failure to act despite knowing of the dangers of the facility. The lawsuit accuses the fireworks companies of negligence towards safety measures and proper training. It also accuses the companies of failing to pay employees for every hour they worked and overtime, while making them work in dangerous conditions. The ultimate purpose of the lawsuit? Compensation for the victims brought on by emotional toll of the explosion, the lost financial support caused by the deaths, along with the funeral and medical expenses. Property owners want money to pay for repairs to their damaged buildings. An exact dollar amount is not listed. We reached out to all the lawyers listed in the lawsuit, but did not hear back from any of them. The Yolo County Sheriff's Department and Fire Marshal's Office told us they do not comment on pending court cases. Esparto Fire District did not respond to our request for comment. I did reach out to several family members of victims, and I was told they are still grieving and will not be doing any interviews as the case moves forward. And another important detail in this lawsuit is that it is filed in San Francisco. The suit states that's because some of the defendants and plaintiffs as well live in that area, so that is where the court proceedings will happen, Chris.
And Robbie, I have to ask you, can you clarify for us, when you talk about lost wages for the employees, what exactly does that mean in this case?
Well, Chris, another aspect of the lawsuit is that some of the accusations say that the companies were not paying employees for overtime, they weren't paying employees for hours that they worked, and they weren't giving them proper lunch breaks or rest breaks, so families are seeking the lost wages in that regard.
Okay, it's something we're going to be following in the days ahead. Robbie, thank you.